Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 21, 2023, 5-star Sudoku. 5th grade, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come this cell. It will be one of these cells. We confirm later. Then column F, only one number remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column E, 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, we have pair numbers 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. It will confirm later. Column H, column G, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have 4. 7th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 7th row and 5th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. 5th row we have 8. So 8 can't come this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Column E, and 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 8th row and 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 7th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5 and 3. Column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Column C, we get 7. 8th row also we get 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 4th row and 6th row and 8th row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 10th row, column H, column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 4th row, 3rd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. 1st grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 5th row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade and 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. 9th grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 8, 6. 7th grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come here one of these cells. Confirm later. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come here one of these cells. We confirm later. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 9. Column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 7th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 8th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column E, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 5. It will come here one of these cells. We confirm later. Second grid, column G, three numbers are remaining, 4 to 6. Third row, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come here one of these cells. Fourth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column G and second grid, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Third row and fourth row, we have 4. Column J also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column I, third row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 5, 8. Column C, we have 7 and 5. So 7 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come here one of these cells. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then second row, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then second grid, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then third grid, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then third row, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. First grid and fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 2, 9. Column D, we have 5 and 2. So 5 and 2 can't come this cell. It will come here in one of these cells. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then first grid, fourth row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then fourth grid, column B, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.